Today is our lecture number 11 and we are going to discuss about refinement and iteration. Ever asked AI something, got a so-so answer and thought, not what I meant? You are not alone. The real power of AI doesn't come from your first prompt. It comes from how you refine it. Refinement and iteration means improving your prompt step by step based on what the AI gives you. Think of it like working with a new assistant. The first time they might get it wrong, but if you give feedback, shorter, more playful, less technical, they get better. AI works exactly the same way. You are not locked into a single prompt. You can keep adjusting your request like make it shorter, add examples, use simpler words, rewrite in bullet points, remove fluff, make it sound like Steve Jobs wrote it. The magic comes from communicating clearly, critiquing the output, and iterating. Imagine sculpting a statue from a big block of stone. Your first prompt is the rough shape. Your follow-up prompts are the fine tools, chiseling it into something great. Prompting isn't one and done. It's a conversation. Let's say your first prompt is write a speech about AI. AI replies with something generic and boring. So, you refine it. Like rewrite the speech to make it sound inspirational, like a TED talk, in under 2 minutes. Still not quite there. So, you go further. Add a powerful opening story and close it with a call to action. And then add humor, but keep it professional. Suddenly, you have sculpted a masterpiece using iterations. Try it yourself. Give a prompt like write a short article about productivity tips. Then read the result and ask yourself, is it too long or too short? Too formal or too casual? Does it really have real value or just fluff? Then refine the prompt. Try this. Make it punchier. Add examples and use a friendly tone. Repeat once or twice until you are happy with the result. You have just done prompt iteration like a pro. You can even say, rate your previous answer on clarity and helpfulness from 1 to 10 and improve it to get to 10. The AI will actually critique and improve itself. Refinement is not a mistake, it's the method. You are meant to tweak, test, and try again. The more clearly you give feedback and iterate, the more the AI becomes your perfect assistant. See you in the next lecture.